Good day everyone, especially to our instructor in data structure and algorithms, Ms. Kayla Fortuno. My name is Maria Francesca Richardo from BSS 2B. So for today's video, we will talk about how this code works. So our proposed real-life scenario problem is organizing a award ceremony of a class of students based on their recent test results. So ang mga test scores po na papasok sa system namin is in no particular order. So kailangan natin siyang isort para malaman natin or ma-determine natin kung sino yung mga particular students na makaka-receive ng awards. So now, i-explain ko po kung paano ito isusort or kung paano ito gumagana. So without any further ado, let's start. Here's our Python code implementation using shell sorting algorithms. So the first one is the initial gap calculation. Una, hinahati ang list gamit ang gap. Ang gap po is yung mga pagitan ng mga numbers na i-compare. Ang gagawin natin is kukunin natin yung kalahati ng length ng list. So, ang input natin is 7852463. So, ang length natin is 7. Kaya, ang first gap natin is 3. So, bali, i-compare natin yung 7 na nasa index 0 at ang 2 naman na nasa index 3. Since maliit ang 2 sa 7, kaya ipagpapalit natin sila. And next, ang 8 naman, ang i-compare natin which is on index 1 at 4 on index 4. So, dahil mas maliit ang 4 sa 8, ipagpapalit din natin sila. And, ganun din yung gagawin natin mamaya sa rest. Sa bawat pass, nagiging partially sorted na ang list sa pagitan ng gap. Pangalawa, kapag tapos na yung pass, babawasan ang gap sa kalahati. Kaya, ang kalahati ng 2 is 1, di ba? Kaya, ang susunod na magiging gap natin is 1. Dito na magko-compare ng magkakatabing element, kaya magiging mas malapit na ang ayos ng list. And now, sa final sorting na tayo. So, parang insertion po ito. Magko-compare tayo ng magkakatabing element. Iko-compare natin ang 7 at 3. Kaya, magpapalit sila since mas maliit nga yung 3 sa 7. And yung 5 naman tapos 8, ipagpapalit din naman sila kasi mas maliit yung 5 sa 8. Kaya, ayan po ang naging output namin. So, by that po, madedetermine namin kung sino yung top 1 student at yung top 3 students. So, that's the end of my explanation po sa aming solution in real-life scenario problem. Now, let's come up to the next, which is the comparison ng shell in other sorting algorithms to be explained by Jacob Sabio.
To compare shell sort with selection sort, I wrote a Python script that measures the execution time of both algorithms on user input data. Shell sort uses a gap-based approach to sort elements that are far apart, gradually reducing the gap until a final insertion sort is performed. It typically has better performance than selection sort, which works by repeatedly finding the minimum element from unsorted part of the list and swapping it with the first unsorted element, resulting in quadratic time complexity. The script prompts the user to input numbers, sorts them using both algorithms, and measures the execution time. Shell sort generally executes faster because it reduces the number of comparisons and swaps needed, especially for larger data sets. Validation confirms that both algorithms sort the data correctly, but shell sort proves to be more efficient overall.
I think our video will end here. I hope you enjoy and learn something from me about shell sorting algorithms. See you again. Bye.